Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Insight with Dara. So if you're a fashion designer or someone who loves fashion and you want to start a ready-to-wear brand but you do not know how to begin, then this video is for you. Many fashion designers know how to sew, but turning that skill into a profitable ready-to-wear brand is a different game entirely. So if you are someone who loves to sew, you are passionate about fashion designing, but you just don't know how to start your ready to wear brand, this video is for you. In this video, I will walk you through the practical steps you need to start your own ready to wear brand as a beginner, and I will also share some of the mistakes you should avoid so you don't waste money at all. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. So guys, let's get down to the business of today. The first thing you need to know is to understand the ready to wear business. What is ready to wear? Ready to wear simply means clothes that are already made in standard measurements and ready for customers for immediate pickup. Unlike custom sewing where you make clothes for a specific person, ready to wear allows you to make clothes in batches to sell to customers. So you can find yourself making 3 pieces, you can find yourself making 10 pieces, 15 pieces, and you are going to sell to different customers. So the second thing you need to take note of is to choose a profitable niche. I would not advise you, if you are starting a ready to wear brand, to just jump and sew everything you just see around, or you feel my customers are going to buy this, they are going to love this. No, it does not work like that. I will encourage you to just pick like 2 niches that you just want to try out, maybe 2 to 3. Then you, at the end of the day, you can just settle with the one that you feel you're comfortable with. So you need to choose a profitable niche. One mistake many beginners make is trying to sell everything at once instead of choosing a niche. For example, you can choose women dresses, you can choose office outfits, you can choose underwear, like boxers and other things, ladies outfits or men wears. You can even go into shirts as well. When you focus on a niche, it becomes easier to build a brand identity. So something about having a niche is when your customer hears about you, when they hear your name, there's something that should come to their mind. So when they are buying something from you and when they see you anywhere, they should know that this person is known for let's say female dresses, this person is known for palazzo trousers, this person is known for kids wear. So that is just something about having a niche. So I will also encourage you to start small, but you should start smart as well. Yes, you need to start small, you need to start smart as well. So the third thing you need to take into consideration is create simple but attractive designs. Your first collection does not need to be complicated at all. Ready to wear is not something that is not like corset or any other difficult outfit. It's just something that your customers can easily flip on their body and they are good to go. So it does not have to be complex designs. You can do away with, you can go with designs that are simple. They don't have to be complicated. Keep it simple. For example, you can sew flare skirts, flare gowns, casual tops, and the likes. And also, I want to chip in this, if you are making ready to wear trousers or maybe skirts, I will encourage you to use elastic, because if you put an elastic on the waist, it can suit different people. Yes, different people can wear that same outfit. So another thing you need to put into consideration is also the quality of your fabrics. You don't go into ready to wear and you use inferior fabrics. I tell you, your customers are going to complain. By the time they buy it from you and they see that this fabrics is not okay, they're just going to complain, and some of them might want to return back the outfits to you, and you wouldn't want any of this. So your fabrics should be of good quality. It can either make your brand or it can break your brand. So look for fabrics that are durable, look for fabrics that are comfortable, look for fabrics that are affordable. Yes, you know you have a target audience. Look for something that will be comfortable with your and affordable for your target audience. So guys, if you are someone who is serious about starting a successful ready to wear brand, I actually created a detailed ebook guide where I explain everything you need to know on how to start and scale your ready to wear brand. Unlike when I started the ready to wear business, I did not have anyone to mentor me. I made the mistakes over and over and over again. You don't have to make such mistakes. That is why I'm here. So, guys, if you are willing to get the ebook, I'm going to leave the link in the description, so you can just click the link, go ahead and get the ebook. And I'll also be mentoring you. Yes, something that I lacked initially when I started the business was the ability not to have someone to mentor me, like someone to hold my hand, someone to tell me, okay, do this, don't do that. So the business can be successful. I tell you, I wasted a lot of money, wasted fabrics and every other thing. So when you have a mentor, the person should be able to guide you on how to go about the business. So that is what I'm going to be giving you as well if you are getting this ebook. So something else you need to take into consideration is marketing. It is not enough for you to know how to sew. It is not enough. And some people say, I can sew. Yes, I'm very creative. Yes, you might know how to sew, but another thing you should put into consideration if you are in the business of fashion is selling. How will you be able to market these products? How will you be able to make profits? Marketing is extremely important. So you cannot just sew and pile them in a place. You need to talk to people so they can actually know this is what you're doing. You can use the social media. We have Instagram, we have TikTok, we have Facebook, we have YouTube, anyone that works for you. So you can do well to use any of these platforms. So, guys, do ensure you use the link in the description if you are willing to get the ebook. Don't forget to share this video with your family, with your friends, and with your loved ones. I'm going to see you in my next video. Ensure you leave me a comment in the comment section as well. Bye for now.